Okay, so here's a quick video on support and resistance. So support and resistance is really key levels that you see the stock kind of react to that level. I tend to mark my support and resistance levels or my supply and demand zones on a higher time frame. You could go up from the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour. So you could get a nice level of support and resistance. But here, for an example, we're only going to use the 1 hour. So as you see here on SPY, it has been reacting off of this 482.85. It's been using this as support because it once was resistance. When it was moving up, it was resistance up at this level, as you see it kind of reacting down here, not really breaking above, and then once it broke above, it came down, it tested this level for a move back up higher. Now, as you see on the move back up higher, we do find some resistance up here in this 489. Now, this is where I say that you have the zone. I like to put usually about a dollar zone. That way you kind of gauge this area here, and especially around these whole numbers, which are psychological numbers. 490 would be a nice psychological number, so you know that this area here you can reject because it's now the resistance zone, as you see it to start reject anytime it came up to this level. Reject, came back up, rejected. It just tested it right now and it's rejecting a little bit as we speak. Now for the zone here, for the supply or demand, excuse me, I would set it up here up in this 484 level. You could set it actually up in this 484. Let's grab this last candle here where it bounced down and came back up. So that'll give you a nice indication of your two little zones. And that is basically your resistance up here and your support down here. So your demand and supply. Supply up here, that's too much, so it comes down. There's a lot more demand, it'll come down here and it'll move back up higher. Remember, these levels are not concrete. They can, as you see, break above, and they can also break below as well. But you could definitely use these levels for trading and for confluence, for it to break above, hold, break above, hold, for a move up or a move down. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.